The following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by Heartland Foundation Repair.
A solid foundation is essential for any home or business. Our next guest takes pride in providing expert solutions that guarantee long-term safety and security for properties. Back with more details from Heartland Foundation Repair is their owner, John Coil. Welcome in. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. Good to be here.
Thank you so much for being here. So my mom, she's a real estate agent, and oftentimes I always hear her talking about the foundation of the homes that she's showing, right? So when it comes to the foundations, what are the things that really threaten a foundation?
Well, I think in our part of the country, the thing that threatens it is the soils, mostly. Of course, we have periods where we have intense rains, and then we have periods of drought, but all of that really affects the soil. And the soil expands because it's clay, or contracts when it dries up, and it causes our foundation walls to move in and out, up and down, just creates all kinds of difficulties.
Oh, okay. So what are the footing drains, and of course, like, why are those so important?
Well, when they build a foundation, they have three separate concrete pours that they do, and the first one is the footing, and it's 16 inches wide, 8 inches thick. Purpose of the footing is to basically keep the wall from sinking.
Yeah.
And when it's poured, it dries, then they pour the wall, which is 8 inches thick. So there's always a seam between the wall and the footing. And the last pour is the floor, and it rests on the footing in a bed of gravel. And so there's a seam between the floor and the wall, as well as the wall and the footing. That joint is called the cove joint, and it's vulnerable to leaking.
Okay.
So they put a drain tile along there to help with that, as well as dealing with all of the water that wants to percolate through that soil that they had dug out. It percolates down fast, and they know it's going to do that, so they put the drain tile in order to get that away.
Yeah.
It creates a lot of pressure against the wall.
I see. When it comes to the basement, why do my basement walls tip, and what can I do about that?
Well, again, they tip because the pressure of the water as well as the pressure of the expanding soils just pushes it in. And the result of that is that you've got to brace the walls somehow. You either put I-beams to brace it or use tie-backs to pull it back. But those are the two primary ways of fixing that problem.
Gotcha. See, that's why you're the expert. What are the most serious kinds of cracks in foundation walls?
Well, I think the most serious kind are really any of them, but the one that really gets us worried is the ones that are horizontal cracks that run across the wall, because that means the wall is doing this. And they like to give way. Pretty seriously.
So why do my sheetrock walls have cracks?
Well, they're cracking because the walls are going up and down with the dry weather or the wet weather. When it gets really wet, the walls can come up. When it gets really dry, they can sink. And that causes the sheetrock above it to crack around windows and above doors. And the angling cracks off of the corner of windows, those are pretty serious.
Oh my goodness, adding that to my notes as well. And I understand that you have a spring discount for our viewers. Tell us about that.
Well, we're offering a 5% discount to folks for any program that we sell to them.
Okay.
So they can take advantage of that.
Nice. Where can our viewers go to schedule a consultation with you, or just to learn more about some of the services that you offer?
Well, give us a call at our phone number. That's probably the best way to get a hold of us, but you can go to our website and request an opportunity to meet with us on our website as well.
Nice. Well, John, thank you so much for stopping by. This truly is a lot of helpful information. I'm not a homeowner yet, but again, it's things to think about when you are starting that process for sure. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Of course. All right, give Heartland Foundation Repair a call and get started today. That number is 913-270-0250, or you can visit them online at heartlandfr.com.